I'd been interested in roasting ever since we opened, but I was in a situation physically in the cafe that I couldn't put a traditional roaster in here. And so when I learned that there was this new concept of new technology roasting that allowed me to not have to build a pipe that goes through the roof and this building that I don't own, and that it was going to be self-contained and wasn't going to smoke up the place. And so once I learned that, I got really curious as to whether this was going to work for me. So I was kind of putting all my eggs in this basket and hoping that it was going to really turn out the way I envisioned it, and it did. As soon as I saw the demo and I realized what was it, I was like, oh, like this is it. This is what I'm looking for. This is something that can allow me to roast. And then when I learned all the extra stuff about Bellwether, where they are purchasing coffee in a real environmentally conscious way, in a socially conscious way, that they are actually in this kind of a similar mindset that I was like, wait, this is really a partnership that's kind of like made in heaven. With the added fact that, oh, all of a sudden I have this ability to have a roaster where I would not be able to do that before. When I first got it, of course, I was using the profiles, the default profiles, just to see how they fit with the flavor profiles that we had kind of been getting from our other roasters. Because it was really important to me that I could get something that was close to that, which is kind of a medium to medium light in that range. With my Bellwether, I was immediately trying the default medium profiles, cupping them, and then going, you know, I think I can go lighter here, but I don't want to go all the way to light. So I started at the beginning, every profile I had was adjusted, which is what I really wanted. I wanted to be able to stay in that wheelhouse that we were comfortable with, that my customers were already comfortable with, and they had really realized was good and important for representing Steeltown.